カ合衆国カリフォルニア州出身。現在のランクは WBO 世界バンタム級第10位サウザ・ピースサンチェス。
ザ・ピーストサウル・サンチェス。The left hook is down.
Another right hand drops him again. Go down. A down a combination, and that's it.
Foot. That left hook landed right in the chin of Quint.
世界フライ級、そして世界王座3階級制覇、元 WBO 世界バンタム級チャンピオンジョン・リエクアドロ・アラ
スーパースター初めの県にやってきました。
Putok nga po ngayon ng balita mga idol. Opisyal na nga na in-announce ng promoter ni Cuadro Alas na Treasure Boxing Promotion ang magaganap at comeback fight ni Casimero. Matapos nga ang huling laban ni Cuadro Alas noong nakaraang taon October 12, 2023 kontra Yukinori Oguni na nauwi sa tabla ang kanilang bakbakan. Ay sa wakas nga po, muli nating masisilayan ang muling pagwawala sa ibabaw ng lona ng nag-iisang angas ng Pinas, Janriel Cuadro Alas Casimero, ngayong darating na October 13, 2024 na magaganap sa Yokohama Budokan sa Japan. Tulad nga ng mga napabalita, si Saul Sanchez nga po ang makakalaban ng ating pambato at undercard sa laban na ito, ang dalawang boksingerong nakalaban ni Cuadro Alas na si Yukinori Oguni kontra Philippus Netumboa. May kartadang 21 panalo, 12 ay tinapos nito via knockout at may 3 talo. May talab kaya ang angas nitong si Sanchez kapag si Cuadro Alas na ang nakaharap sa ibabaw ng lona? Isang aktibong boksingero nga po itong si Saul Sanchez. Katunayan niyan mga idol, nagkaroon ng 2 laban ngayong 2024 itong si Sanchez. Sa mga hindi po nakakaalam mga idol, ay ni minsan nga ay hindi ito naging isang world champion. Naging isang world championship contender lang ito noong 2023. Nang makaharap nito, ang nooy kampiyon na si Jason Moloney mga idol, bagamat luhaan at natalo si Sanchez kontra Moloney via majority decision, ay naging kontrobersyal ang kanilang naging laban. Marami nga ang naniniwala na si Sanchez dapat ang nanalo sa laban kontra Moloney. Literal kasi na pinahirapan at duguan ang inabot ni Moloney sa bakbakan nila ni Sanchez. Bagamat wala pang major title na nakuha itong si Sanchez mga idol, ay may mga titulo pa din namang itong nakuha sa previous career nito, tulad na lamang ng WBO Latino Bantamweight title noong 2019 at nakuha din ito ang WBA Fedecentro Super Bantamweight title noong 2020. Samantalang kulang-kulang 1 taon nang maganap ang huling laban ni Cuadro Alas kontra sa Hapon si Yukinori Oguni na nagtapos sa pang-4 na round via technical draw. Kaya naman puspusan ng pag-iensayo ng ating pambato para makapagpakita ng isang impresibong laban sa Oktubre. At para sa mga hindi naniniwala sa lakas at talento ni 3 Division World Champion Janriel Casimero, ating balikan ang 3 huling laban ng ating kababayang ito. December 2022 nang mapalaban si Casimero sa bansang South Korea kontra sa Hapon na si Ryo Akaho. Sa lakas at tindi nga ng mga binibitawang suntok na solidong tumatama sa Hapon mga idol, marahil ay hindi nito kinaya ang lakas ni Cuadro Alas, kung kaya't nagdahilan na lamang ito sa pangalawang round ng kanilang bakbakan. Nagkunwaring natamaan ng suntok sa kanyang batok, dahilan para hindi na ipagpatuloy ang laban. Nagmistulang Best Actor ang kalabang Hapon. Kaya naman nauwi sa no contest ang resulta ng kanilang bakbakan. Pero makalipas nga lang ang ilang linggo matapos reviewin ang naturang laban ng dalawang boksingero, yung no contest na resulta ay napalitan ng second round knockout na pabor sa ating kababayang si Casimero. Narito din ang pahayag ng Hapon na si Ryo Akaho na binaklas matapos matikman ang nagdiliyab na kamao ni Cuadro Alas.
目でも聞かされてますし、完全に飛んでるんで、多分休もうとしてるんじゃないのかなとは思うけど、1分2分ってなってきた時にもうその時間が経つにつれてもうダメージがすごいでかくなって、まして顎の骨折っていうのは多分絶対カシメロのパンチ。
5 buwan lang ang nakalipas, May 2023, ay muling napalaban si Casimero sa tigasin at nooy hawak ang WBO Global Super Bantamweight title. Ang Namibian fighter na si Philipos Netumboa na naganap naman sa Okada Manila Hotel and Casino, Parañaque City.
It's a place where he can be more comfortable, stronger.
He looks strong. He looks very strong, and at the same time, he doesn't have to cut the weight that he had problems with in the bantamweight.
For the defending champion, Philippus Energy Netumboa. That's a key term that we have to put out here. Energy. Yes, you're the defending champion, but you are fighting on your opponent's home punches.
Chin is up in the air. John Riel can time it.
Coming up on a minute remaining in the opening round. All fighters looking to trade early and often.
Well, let's remember that Philippus also does have that ability to switch. So let's see if he does change that in the second round.
Great point.
He slaps with those overhand, but I think it's the accumulation of punches that he does damage people or his fighters, opponents.
He's trying to protect himself with that shoulder.
Netumboa.
I think John Riel is looking for a big shot to land against Netumboa.
Netumboa trying to unload with that right hand. Staying active with the jab as well. Casimero trying to go to the body, but met with that left hook counter by Netumboa.
Great certainty, and he's pressing forward with great defense and smothering John Riel's Casimero's punches.
John Riel bobbing, weaving, looking for an opening again.
The straight, and I think, like Rachel said, investing in that body shot is gonna be a big help for Casimero.
But John Riel,
he's ranging him. He's finding that distance so he can throw and unload that right overhand.
oh, look at some.
Yes, Netumboa is having a little bit of fun with the crowd and more concerned with the crowd than circling around the ring, bobbing and weaving.
And using those jab behind to throw those big shots. Again, body shots and
Oh, nice
overhand.
Overhand.
Yes.
That's exactly what Casimero has been waiting for.
Oh, Casimero.
He's saved by the bell. All that work in that round, and they get away with the. John Riel.
He went out.
Netumboa is down on the mat, getting counted. His legs are wobbling. Is he going to come towards the ref?
And the defending champion has been knocked down.
They're
Casimero.
allowing it to go.
Casimero going in for the kill.
Casimero going for the kill.
He's trying to get the distance to be able to hit him.
Netumboa was out.
Netumboa's covering up. Trying to hit him with that He's trying to save right now by holding John Riel Casimiro.
He's wobbly. He's wobbly, Nonito.
He's just one punch away. Just one punch away. I think an uppercut will do this one.
John Riel just needs to get that distance to be able to fire his shot.
Oh, look at him. Look at
He's
him. Almost
reaching.
out on his feet. Almost out on his feet.
He's reaching in to try to clinch John Riel from hitting him. Okay, he tries to get a left hook in, and the barrage of punches that John Riel is throwing.
The champion just swinging for dear life.
His right leg is out. It's barely bending.
He is just a punch away, and he has no more power.
Bagamat napabagsak ni Cuadro Alas si Philippus mga idol sa pang-anim na round, ay hindi ito naging sapat para tapusin ang kalaban. Umabot pa din ang resulta sa kamay ng mga hurado at dito ay naitanghal na panalo ang ating kababayang si Cuadro Alas at nakuha ang WBO Global Super Bantamweight title. October 2023, 5 buwan lang muli ang lumipas mga idol nang mapalaban ulit si Cuadro Alas, isang Hapon ang matapang na humarap sa ating kababayan sa mismong baluarte nito sa Ariake Arena, Kotoko, Japan. Sa di inaasahang pangyayari ay nagkaroon ng katanghapon sa may itaas na bandang kanang noo, dahilan para matigil sa pang-apat na round at maging draw ang resulta ng kanilang sagupaan.